So I really do like this jack. But shortly after I got it, the roller that goes here stopped rolling. I finally got around to taking it apart. And I had to hammer this shaft out. This is threaded on either end, and it rides in the aluminum body. But look at how chewed up that is. Both sides are like that. This side's worse, look. What the hell is going on? So the roller itself doesn't have any actual bearings in it. It's just supposed to slide on that shaft. I guess that makes sense. I mean, it's not like the thing's going to be moving at 40 miles an hour. It's just to allow it to move when it's jacking up a car. So what I'm thinking is chalk this up in the drill and sand it down so it's smooth and just grease the hell out of it. Works for me. I don't know if that's the correct fix, but who gives a shit? If this makes it work, I'm good. Oh shit. Since it doesn't fit in any of the chucks I have, let's go old school. Stacks of sandpaper. So we're gonna take it and polish it as much as I can. I don't think this stuff's even any good anymore. Nope. This stuff was a really cool idea. Yeah. But it doesn't have any shelf life to speak of, so. Not worth the money. Alright, so let's see. Should we start at 400? Or go even coarser? I've got lots of 400. I've got 80, 150, 220. Let's start with 400. I don't think I want to go any coarser. I got this 80 and 60 here too, this really cheap shit. Look at that. I don't know where this came from. This ended up in my shit. This paper falls apart as soon as you use it. It's hilarious. Alright, let's do some 400. Let's save the wet dry. I'm not using it wet, so let's go find the not wet dry. There we go. No slip grit. Ooh. Fancy. Which means they put some damn wax on the back side of the paper. With Cubitron technology. Alright. Scraps of 600 floating around before I tear up a good sheet. Guess not. Alright. still seems annoying. I'm going to attack that piece in particular. Because that still feels proud. I don't like that. Hell, that's probably the whole problem right there. Alright, let's go back to the 600. Yeah, that feels better. I don't think I need to get any finer than 600. I'm not trying to make it polished and shiny. I just need it to be able to move when there's weight put on it. And I want there to be enough scratches in there to hold the grease. Yeah, that's better. Let's do this side in 600 and call it good. There we go. There we go. The only parts that matter are right at the edges there. So. Give it a wipe. And let's see how it fits inside the roller. See if I need to do any work to the roller. Nope, perfect. Love it. Love it. Alright. Yeah, so you can see it never moved past this spot. Used it a few times when I first got it, and then it locked in place, and that's what we ended up with. I'm not going to polish this, sorry. If you were hoping to see that, ain't going to happen. Alright. So now, let me get the jack itself up where you can see, and we'll put it in and test it out. Okay, where did I put it? Get some grease on all of that. Can't find a hole. There we go. Look at that. Almost like I knew what the hell I was doing. Oops, it's just spinning the axle. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright, I gotta get the other one. Doesn't matter. There it is. I think I might have munged up the threads on this a little bit when I was hammering it out. It's all good. There it goes. Go, that side's tight, and that side's tight. Alright, so we're cranked down, and it still spins. Awesome! So that's how you fix the shitty machining of the roller on one of these rapid pump racing jacks. Alright guys, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, and we'll see you next time.